What's up YouTube, In Your Face Toast here, and today I thought I'd do a little update on the oil catch can that I put into the Dodge Avenger. So I put the oil catch can in about this time last year. It was July 26, 2018. The car had exactly 45,000 miles on it. And so it's a year later, it's August 2nd now, 2019, and I have almost 57,000 miles, I believe. We're at 56,671. So over 10,000 miles. So let's see how much oil we have in the catch can. So I'm just going to unscrew it here. Okay, there we go. All right, it's getting the light. There's definitely some oil in there. Yeah, let's see if we can get in the light here so we can see that. All right, you see that's about 10,000 miles, about 11,000 miles worth of oil right there. About a year later, that's a pretty significant amount. That's the amount of oil that would have went into the engine if you didn't have this catch can on there. So that definitely helped out. It robs you of horsepower, performance, and just builds up a lot of carbon on the intake on the inside of the engine. So it's probably not as much oil as a high compression engine like such as a V8 would have had, but that's a pretty good amount of oil for about a year on this 4-cylinder. So yeah, you definitely want to get one of these universals. I got this one off Amazon. It was real cheap, real easy to install. So definitely consider that with your 2.4 liter. All right, see you guys later.